Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. I'm going to show you how to make some really quick jalapeno cheddar biscuits using a Jiffy biscuit mix. I love these little Jiffy mixes. I've been using them since I was a little kid. They used to come with a little, like a foil box type of baking pan, but they don't do that anymore. But they're still pretty cheap. I find them anywhere from 50 cents to $1 depending on where I'm finding them. And I also can get them, you can get them bulk on Amazon, and if you keep your eye out, once in a while you can get, I think I got like 42 of them for $36, so that made them less than $1 each. So that was a good deal, and I stocked up. I also like to buy pie crust in the same thing, and pizza crust. You can also get mixed boxes of them if you really got to look good. Usually they're third-party sellers and they're not Prime eligible, so you have to figure in the shipping to see if it's going to be worth it. Target also sells them, but I like to order in bulk and then have a whole shelf full of them. It lasts me for a long time because I use them quite often. And the biscuit mix you can also make pancakes out of, so it just makes it easy. It's handy to have, and they're wrapped in everything. But for the first part of this recipe, I'm just going to be putting my buttermilk biscuit mix into the mixer, and I have like a dough hook here. And the box itself calls for half a cup of water. Then you're going to add a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want, really. We like cheddar. Then I got a half cup of jalapenos. I'm just going to dump it back in my more sturdy 1 cup. And so I'm not having to touch these or anything. I'm just going to chop them up with some kitchen scissors. If you are using your hands or using fresh ones, make sure you're wearing some sort of gloves, because these things will burn the dickens out of you, and the oils stay on your hands for a long time. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put that all in there. Okay, I'll take this over. We're going to roll it out. You want to preheat your oven to 450. Put a little bit of flour down. And since this is a little wetter than normal, I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of flour. And I'm going to do it in, I'm rolling mine right here on my cutting board. I'm doing it a little bit at a time. It will be wetter than normal, so don't be afraid to add some flour to things. Do about a 1/2 inch thick. If you have a bigger surface to work on, you don't have to do it this way. I'm just trying to minimize my mess. I've been working all day and I don't really want to have a big messy kitchen. I've made some tortilla soup in the crock pot, and I'll link to that recipe. And put them on an ungreased baking sheet. Now we have the biscuits all ready. A few of these I'm a little concerned might be thin, but we're going to let those cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Well, there they are. They're out of the oven, and I've let them cool, and I cut one in half so you could see the yumminess inside. And those will go really good with our, I'll put it down here so it stays warm. Taco soup or tortilla soup, that we could call it taco soup or tortilla soup, and I'll be sure to make a little link or something for you to go to that in case you want to make them together. That video's been up for a little while. So this has been Angie, and just a quick little recipe using a Jiffy Buttermilk Biscuit. It's just a little quick and affordable extra that you can throw in with